Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students, from the question here they given the data values of quiz, exam and the final score, which is 410642350 and then here for given that total, which is 20, 12 and 4, and then SS, which is 10, 10 and 4, and also they given that G is equal to 36 and the sum of x square, which is 164. Now the n value, which is equal to 444, and the mean average, which is 5, 3 and 1. Here the number of groups K is equal to 3 and the number of subjects in each group n, which is equal to 4. So the total number of subjects, which is nk, is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now here we need to frame the null and alternative hypothesis. This is for the subpart A. The null hypothesis H0 is mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3. All the treatment means are equal. Then that alternative hypothesis, at least one of the mean is different. Then for the subpart B, we need to find the first degrees of freedom of between, which is k minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and the degrees of freedom of within, which is n minus k, that is 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So the degrees of freedom of total, which is n minus 1, 12 minus 1, we get 11. Here first we need to find the critical value of f. The critical value f 2, 9 at alpha, which is equal to 0.05 for the right-tailed test, which is 4.2565. Then we need to find the ANOVA table. For this, first we need to find the grand mean. X bar, which is equal to 3, and the SS between is equal to 32, and the SS within, which is the sum of ni minus 1 into si square, we get 24. Then SS total, which is equal to SS between plus SS within, that is 32 plus 24, we get 56. Now the mean square of between, which is equal to sum of square of between divided by the degrees of freedom of between, which is 32 divided by 2, we get 16. And also the mean sum of square of within, which is equal to sum of square of within divided by the degrees of freedom of within. Therefore it is 24 divided by 9, we get 2.6667. And to calculate the F ratio, which is equal to MS between divided by MS within. Substituting the values, 16 divided by 2.6667, we get 6. And also the p-value for this test is 0.0221, which is less than alpha 0.05. So we reject our null hypothesis H0. Now from the above data we need to frame the ANOVA. The source of variation, sum of square, degrees of freedom, mean sum of square, F ratio, and then P value, which is here between, within, and then total 32, 24, 56, 2, 9, 11, 16, 2.6667, 6, 0.0221, and also the F calculated value, which is 6, is greater than F critic value, that is 4.2565. So we reject our null hypothesis H0, and also we conclude that at least one of the treatment mean is different at 0.05 level of significance. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.